So good morning, welcome to TET special session. There is a marathon session. So in the first session we have completed 25 questions. Now the 26th question onwards the class will be continued. So without wasting our time, let's move to the 26th question. 26th question. If the radius of a sphere is increased by 10%, then its volume is increased by first option 33%, second option 33.2%, third option is 33.1%, fourth one is 33.5%. Okay, this is also one of the important problems, right? If the radius of a sphere is increased by 10%, the volume is increased by. So we have the shortcut, don't worry. See, let us say radius is equal to x, so x is equal to 10%. Now volume is increased by so here we have the shortcut, that is actually you need to write 3x plus 3x square by 100 plus x cube by 100 square. Here substitute x for, so that means percentage of increase in volume is equal to 3 into 10 30 plus 3 into 10 square 100 by 100 plus x cube. So x cube means actually you can write 1000, 10 cube is by 100 into 100. So 2 zeros, so this will be 1 by 10. 100 cancel, so we have 30 plus 3 33 plus 1 by 10 means 0.1. So this is equal to 33.1%. So third option is the right option. Right, good morning Sai Kiran, welcome. Option 3, absolutely correct. 27th problem. Yes, Sivakeshu, absolutely correct. The condition that the points 0, 0, x1, y1 and x2, y2 are collinear. Collinear means they lie on the same line. the condition that the points 0, 0, x1, y1 and x2, y2 are collinear. So yes, Taudoj Sai Kiran, absolutely correct your answer. First option is x1, x2 minus y1, y2 is equal to 0. Second option x1, x2 plus y1, y2 is equal to 0. Third option x1, y2 plus x2, y1 is equal to 0. Fourth option x1, y2 minus x2, y1 is equal to 0. That means if these 3 points are collinear, so then find the condition. So that means this problem can be done two ways. First, if the 3 points lie on the same line, means the area formed by the 3 points is 0. Area of the triangle formed by these 3 points is equal to 0. So otherwise, for example, first point is O, second point is A, third point is B. Slope of OA is equal to slope of OB. So we can do like that also. So generally SOAP concept we can make use of that one. See, O origin means 0, 0, A x1, y1 and next B x2, y2. So these 3 points are collinear points. So write down like this: slope of OA is equal to, we can write slope of OB. So we know the slope formula. What is the slope formula? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Am I right? So difference of the x coordinates by difference of the y coordinates. So slope of that is y1 by x1 is equal to slope of OB. Slope of OB means y2 minus 0 y2, x2 minus 0 x2. Cross multiplication, x1 y2 is equal to x2 y1. Bring x2 y1 to the left hand side. So x1 y2 minus x2 y1 is equal to 0. So this is the required condition. So now obviously the fourth one is our answer. Yes, you are absolutely correct. You are. Sivakeshu Venkateshwarlu Sai Kiran. It's good try. So good try. Okay. Right. Let us move to next question now. Next question. 28th question. Varun Chari, have you subscribed? Yes, 28th question. Let us move to the 28th question now. Two coins are tossed. Two coins are tossed. Two coins are tossed simultaneously. The probability of getting at least one tail, is. So first option is 3/4, second option is 1/4, third option is 7/8, fourth option is 1/8. This is the question. two coins are tossed simultaneously. So two coins are tossed simultaneously, right? The probability of getting at least one tail. Two coins are tossed simultaneously, the probability of getting at least one head. So first method, when two coins are tossed, sample space is equal to head head, head tail, tail head, and tail tail. So now E, let us say E be the event of getting at least one tail. At least one tail means one tail or two tails. So that means H comma T one tail, T comma H also one tail, two tails. So that means now the probability of getting at least one tail P of E is equal to number of favorable cases to E by total number of outcomes. N of E means 1, 2, 3. 3 favorable cases divided by total favorable cases 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is our answer, first option. So now the beautiful method, that is the second method. Second method is not only for two kinds, it may be for n kinds. You can do this problem. So probability of getting at least one head is equal to 1 minus 1 upon 2 power n. N stands for number of kinds. So n is equal to 2 here. So that means probability of getting at least one tail or head, same formula, is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 square. So 1 minus 1 by 4. So 4 minus 1 is 3. So answer is 3 by 4. So first option is the right option. I hope you might have got the idea. Not only for two kinds, I have explained for, even it may be extended to the not only two kinds, three kinds, four kinds, five kinds, six kinds, even 100 number of kinds also. You can solve this question using the second method. Yes, Gandham Venkateshwar Reddy, Vishnuvardhan Reddy, Lakshminarayan, Sivakesh, Taudos, Sai Kiran. So wonderful job. 29th question. Now let us move to 29th question. Try 29th question. The value of P so that the point 3 comma P satisfies the equation 2x minus 3y is equal to 5 is. So first option is 3, second option is negative 1 upon 3, third option is 2, fourth option is 1 upon 3. Okay. So try to solve this question. This question is from linear equations into variables. Very good morning, Sangameshwar. Yes, right. So see this question, the value of P so that 3 comma P satisfies this equation. That means 3 comma P is one of the solutions of 2x minus 3y is equal to 5. That means 3 comma P must satisfy 2x minus 3y is equal to 5. So that means instead of x substitute 3, instead of y substitute P. So that means since 3 comma P is the solution, 2 into 3 minus 3 into P equals to 5. So 6 minus 3P is equal to 5. Now bring 5 this side. 6 minus 5 is equal to 3P. So 1 is equal to 3P. Therefore P is equal to 1 upon 3. So our answer is 1/3. So 1/3 means fourth option is the right option. Okay, all of you check your options and also your solutions also. Yes, Muhammad Basha, very good. 1/3, Vishnuvardhan Reddy, Lingia, Gugulotu. You are the all are regular our viewers generally used to come. What about others? Okay, let us move to yet another problem. So 30th problem. The image of minus 2017 minus 2018 with respect to origin is so first option is minus 2017 comma 2018. Second option 2017 comma 2018. Third option 2017 comma minus 2018. Fourth option 2016 comma 2018. So don't worry, I will tell you one beautiful shortcut to you. So without actually by diagram this problem can be solved, with shortcut also we can solve. See diagram, for example this is a coordinate axis, right? This is x dash, this is y and y dash, this is the origin. So now actually the C minus 2017 minus 2018 lies in the third quadrant. So with respect to origin its image lies in the first quadrant. So this is actually what, minus 2017, this is minus 2018. In first quadrant its image becomes 2017 and 2018, because in the first quadrant both coordinates are positive. Here actually both coordinates are negative. In the second quadrant negative comma positive. So in the fourth quadrant we have positive comma negative. So that's why our answer should be positive. Plus means only second option. This is one method. Other method means shortcut, you remember, the image or reflection, or it may be called as reflection also. Reflection of x comma y with respect to origin is equal to multiply both coordinates with -1, -x comma -y. So our answer, you see, therefore image of minus 2017 comma minus 2018 with respect to origin is equal to minus of minus 2007. So that makes 2017 and minus into minus plus 2018. So our answer is second option is the right option. So did you get the idea? Yes or no, you need to chart. Yes, Venkateshwar Reddy, absolutely correct. Option 2 is the right option. Yes, Sivakeshu. Right. 30th question has been completed. Let us move to 31st question. 31st question. In the given figure, O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. Then the length of the tangent PT, in centimeters is. This is the question. First, let us draw the figure now. This is circle. Okay. Next, so tangent is given. This is tangent. This is the center of the circle, right? Join center in this point. Say this is P, this is 30 degrees. Now the PT we need to find out. And OP given, that is 30 centimeters. Distance from O to P is 30 given. Then we need to find out PT. This is PT. Length of the tangent PT we need to find out. So first option is 5√3. Second option 10√3. Third option is 30√3. Fourth option is 15√3. So very interesting question. Try to solve this question. With respect to axis means, very good Basha, that also I will explain later, don't worry. Yes, I got your point. In the given figure, O is the center of the circle, then the length of the PT we need to find out, and the OP is given 30 centimeters. So my dear students, here actually see, we have for example, tangent is perpendicular to the radius. This question was given previous TET examination. Tangent is perpendicular to the tangent. So that means radius is always perpendicular to tangent. This question was given last year TET examination. The angle between radius and tangent. So that means this is 90 degrees. So therefore now the solution, triangle OPT is right angle triangle. So now we need to find out PT. Here for this angle, this is the adjacent side, this is the hypotenuse side. So you find cos 30 degrees. What is cos 30? Cos 30 is equal to adjacent side, that is OP. Hypotenuse is length of the tangent only, PT. So cos 30 is √3/2, whereas OP is equal to 30 by PT. Cross multiplication takes place. √3 PT is equal to 60. So therefore PT is equal to 60 by √3. Now rationalize √3 by √3. You get 60 √3 divided by √3 into √3, 3. 3 1 ja, 3 20 ja. So answer is 20 √3 centimeters. Now tell me which is the right option. Which is the right option? Okay, 30 given, that is cos 30 root 3 by 2. Okay. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Okay. Cos 30 OP by PT. Sorry, I did mistake here. Because OP is the hypotenuse. Wait. Right, 1 minute. So this OP is the hypotenuse because a right angle, opposite to right angle. So cos 30 means adjacent side is PT by OP. So cos 30 means root 3 by 2 PT upon OP. OP is 30. So now 2 PT is equal to 30 root 3. 2 1 ja 2 15 ja. Therefore PT is equal to 15 root 3 centimeters. This is the answer. So fourth option is the right option. Yes, not second option, fourth option. Fourth option is the right option. Yes, adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side means PT, hypotenuse is OP. That's all. Next 32nd question. 32nd question. Two concentric circles are of radii means plural for radius, 13 centimeters and 5 centimeters. 13 centimeters and 5 centimeters. The length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle is in centimeter is. So first option is 24, second option is 12, third option is 8, fourth option is 6. This is also one of the important problems, so to be discussed and to be kept in mind while going to the any examination. Right, two concentric circles are of radii 13 centimeters and 5 centimeters. The length of the chord of a larger circle, the chord actually the length of the chord of the larger circle and which is tangent to the smaller circle. So that we need to find out. Length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle we need to find out. Right. For example, this bigger circle. So this is smaller circle. They are concentric. They have the same center. So we need to find out chord of the larger circle tangent to this circle. This length we need to find out. Say O, join this one perpendicular. Say A, B is the chord. So join this one OA. For example, say OA means actually radius of the here see OA is equal to OA, say R1 is equal to OA, that is 13 centimeters. radius of the larger circle. R2 is equal to radius of the smaller circle. See, this is OD. Obviously perpendicular this is. OD is equal to 5 centimeters. It's a right angle triangle. Then we can find out like this. OA square is equal to AD square plus OD square. So OA square means 169. AD square we do not know. OD square means 25. So AD square is equal to 169 minus 25, that is 144. Now AD is equal to square root of 144, that is 12. But we need AB. AB is length of the chord. So length of chord of larger circle, that is AB, which touches smaller circle, that is 2 times AB, because D is the midpoint of AD is equal to BD. So 2 times AD, that is 2 into 12. So answer is 24 centimeters. So this is the concept. But how to solve the same problem in fraction of seconds without paper pen? So that is very important. So now without paper pen simply you remember, say this is R1, this is R2. So now length of required chord is equal to 2 times square root of R1 square minus R2 square. R1 is the radius of the bigger circle, R2 is the radius of the smaller circle. 2 times under root of R1 square, 169 minus 25. So this is 2 root of 144. Square root of 144 is 12. 12 into 2, 24. So 24 centimeter square is the answer. So my dear students, it can be formulated. So how can it be formulated? Two concentric, yes, actually Pythagorean triplets also, but Pythagorean triplets means only 12 you will be getting, but you need to multiply 2 times, you need to make it. So two concentric circles are of radii R1 and R2 centimeters. R1 is greater than R2. The length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle is 2 times of R1 square minus R2 square. Simply you remember like that. Then you will get the answer. So I hope I have explained the method as well as shortcut method also. This is 32nd question. Now let us move to 33rd question. 33rd question. Thirty-third question. If delta 1 and delta 2, are the discriminants of x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0 and x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0, then delta 1 minus delta 2 equals to, what is the value of delta 1 minus delta 2? First option -4, second option -3, third option 4, fourth option 1. Okay, try this question. See, all the questions have been given in non-routine method, not routine problems. So you may not find in even different material also. You may go to any premier institutions also, you cannot find these questions. Quite sure about. Right. See, my dear students, actually here delta 1 is the discriminant of this equation, delta 2 is the discriminant of this equation. First delta 1 let us find out. See the solution. Delta 1 actually delta means b square minus 4ac discriminant. This is a formula. So first delta 1 means actually b square means 25 minus 24, you get 1. For second equation delta 2 means actually here don't get confusion, a means 1, b means 1, c means 1. So b square minus 4ac, 1 square 1 minus 4, so minus 3. So what we are asked, delta 1 minus delta 2, don't get confusion. So 1 minus of minus 3. So this is equal to 1 plus 3. So our answer is 4. So third option is the right option. Have you got an idea? Have you got an idea? Yes, yes, yes. Option 3. Option 4 is wrong. See, actually negative 3, delta 1 minus delta 2. So you are asked to find out delta 1 minus delta 2. Delta 1 means 1, 1 minus of minus 3, 1 plus 3, that is 4. Right. Okay, let us move to 34th question. 34th question. 34th question. Right. A solid cone of height 12 centimeters, base radius 6 centimeters and slant height is k times root 20 centimeters, then the value of k is first option 2, second option 3, third option 4, fourth option 9. You try this question. Because these problems are not familiar, just try to think out of the box, then you will get the answer. A solid cone of height given, that is actually altitude given 12 centimeters and base radius 6 centimeters. Slant height is given in terms of k, that we need to find out k. Yes, so that means first of all, what is the relationship between, so this is the cone, right? This is the height, this is the base radius, this right angle triangle, slant LRH. So we have the relation L square is equal to H square plus R square. Substitute respective values. L square means k root 20 whole square. K root 20 whole square means 20 k square. So H square, this is H value 144 plus R square, this is the R value 36. So this will be actually 140 plus 30 is 170, 4 plus 6 is 10, 180. So you have k square is equal to 9. So k is equal to square root of 9. Actually you will get plus or minus 3, but being a length k should be positive, k greater than 0, therefore k is equal to positive 3. So second option is the right option. Okay, do you have the idea? Have you understood? Yes or no? You need to chat. Have you understood this question? Have you understood this question or not? Okay, right. 35th question. 35th question. The ratio of volume of a cone and a cylinder of equal diameter that means they have the same base and equal height is first option 3:1, second option is 1:3, third option 2:3, fourth option 3:2. Right. Okay, try this question. What is your answer? Okay, see, so we need to find out the ratio of volume of cone and volume of a cylinder, equal radius and equal height. So that means first of all let us say V1 is the volume of a cone whose equal diameter means radius is also equal. So that is 1/3 pi r square h. So V2 means volume of cylinder, that is pi r square h. So V1 by V2 find out, or V1 is to V2. So 1/3 pi r square h is to pi r square h. So pi r square h 1 ja, here also 1. That means 1/3 is to 1. Ratio should not be in fractions. The terms of the ratio should not be in fractions. That should be in actually natural numbers. So that means multiply. So multiply with 3. So what do you get now? 1/3 into 3 is to 1 into 3. So 3 1 ja 3 cancel. So answer is 1:3. Answer is 1:3. Second option is the right option. Or simply V1 by V2 is equal to 1/3, V1 is to V2 is equal to 1/3 also, 1:3 also we can say. That is your convenience, you solve this problem. So have you got it now? So there should be more likes. If you have more likes, I shall continue the DSC classes. Otherwise, this is the last class for your TET as well as DSC classes. Right. 35th question completed. 36th question. 36th question. The ratio of the length of a rod and its shadow is √3:1. Then the angle of the angle of elevation, the angle of elevation of the sun is, this is also called altitude of the sun at that time. So as for the time, actually the shadow varies. At that time, what is the altitude? The altitude will be calculated in terms of angle. Yes. See, now the first option is 45, second option is 30 degrees, third option is 60, fourth option is 15 degrees. See, this is the rod. For example, it's a shadow. Join this one, you get a right angle triangle. So this is called angle of elevation of the sun. Angle of elevation of the sun. What is the ratio between length of the rod? This is the length of the rod, say L. This is the actually shadow, say D something. What is given actually? L is equal to root 3, you can say, no problem. D is equal to 1. So apply tan theta. What is tan theta? So tan theta is equal to opposite side, L by D, length by length of the shadow, root 3 by 1, root 3. So tan theta is equal to tan 60 degrees. Equating on both sides, we get theta is equal to 60 degrees. That is the angle of elevation of the sun or sun's altitude. So third option is the right option. Third option is the right option. So third option is the right option. Yes, Nana, absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Muhammad Basha, Lakshminarayan, Sivakes. Okay. Right. 37th question. 37th question. Lakshminarayana, same mention in the comment section. You are not at all mentioning the comment section. Mention same location of roots. Explain that. I could remember. Because this is not permanent. Now while charting, this live chart is not permanent. But whereas your comment section is permanent, that can be actually watched later also. So if ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, then the value of sin of A plus C by 2, sin of A plus C by 2 plus sin of B plus D by 2, sin of B plus D by 2. Right, is first option 2, second option 0, third option 1, so fourth option is negative 2. If ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, then the value of sin of A plus C by 2 plus sin of B plus D by 2. Right. See, my dear students, remember one thing. In a cyclic quadrilateral, let me explain. First of all, let me draw the figure. This is a circle in which a quadrilateral is inscribed. So ABCD, a quadrilateral, has been inscribed in a circle. Then it is called cyclic quadrilateral. It is said to be cyclic quadrilateral. Then we are asked to find out sine of a plus b by c by 2 and also b plus d by 2. So what is the concept means? Sum of the opposite angles is 180 degrees or opposite angles are supplementary. So that means here the fact is that if ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, angle A plus angle C is equal to 180. So angle B plus angle D is also 180. Simply substitute in the expression sine of A plus C by 2, 180 by 2 plus sine of 180 by 2. So this is sine 90 plus sine 90. Am I right? Sine 90 is all 1, sine 90 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So our answer is 2. That means first option is the right option. I hope you might have got an idea. Yes, in cyclic quadrilateral opposite angles are supplementary. Absolutely correct. So A plus C is equal to 180, B plus D is equal to 180. Sine of 180 by 2 plus sine of 180 by 2. Sine 90 plus sine 90. Sine 90 is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Our answer is 2. Right. So let us move to next question. '38th question. The mean of the terms of an AP A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and A plus 4D is 20. Then it's the third term. Then its third term is first option 20, second option is 10, third option 30, fourth option is 40. So the mean of the terms of an AP 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms is given that 20. Then you are asked to find out its third term. Third term means A plus 2D value we need to find out. See how the interesting problem this is. Right. So my dear students, the mean of the A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D is 20. I'll tell you one beautiful shortcut. Arithmetic mean of AP is equal to first term plus last term by 2. So here first term is A, last term is A plus 4D. So here arithmetic mean is given how much? 20. So A plus 4D by 2 is equal to 20. 2A plus 4D by 2 equals to 20. Take 2 common, you have A plus 2D by 2 equal to 20. 2 gets cancelled, you have A plus 2D. A plus 2D is equal to 20. Since AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, see A plus 2D is third term. So third term is equal to 20. So our answer is 20. First option is the right option. Here super shortcut you need to remember. See, arithmetic mean of arithmetic progression is first term plus last term by 2, or a plus l by 2 also we can write. This is a first term plus last term by 2 if it is the arithmetic progression, if the given observations are. Okay, thank you. You might have known these shortcuts also. Yes, even number of also possible, right? So you need to check it now whether it's even number or odd number, right? 39, but very good observation were made by Muhammad Basha, right? Next question. The set builder form of form for a minus b, where a comma b are any two non-empty sets is. So you are asked to write the set builder form for a minus b set. A minus b means difference of the two sets. Right. So first option is x such that x belongs to a and x belongs to b. Second option, x such that x does not belongs to a and x belongs to b. So third one, x such that x belongs to a and x does not belongs to b. Fourth option, x such that x belongs to a or x does not belongs to b. So set builder form for a union b, a intersection b, a minus b and a delta b you must remember. Yes, a minus b means x must belongs to a but not and x belongs to b. So that's why set builder form for a minus b, let me write. Set builder form for a minus b is equal to x such that x belongs to a but not belongs to b. That means and only, not or. X does not belongs to b. So that means third option is the right option. Already in set chapter I have explained very clear manner. So you can go through for further set builder form for a union b, a intersection b and a delta b. Symmetric difference also. That we had already a discussion, clear discussion. Right. Fortieth question. Question number 40. Among the following the incorrect it will be given capital letters only, examination also. Correct or incorrect? Incorrect statement is first option negative infinity less than tan theta less than infinity. Second one, -1 less than sin theta less than or equal to 1. Third option, -1 less than or equal to cos theta less than or equal to 1. Fourth option, tan square theta minus sin square theta is equal to 1. Here 0 degrees less than or equal to theta less than 90 degrees. Always it is not true. Only theta may be equal to 0, theta less than 90 only. Right. So which is the incorrect statement among the following? Set builder form null set is x does not equal to x, that's all. X such that x does not equal to x. So already explained in my sets chapter. You can watch sets chapter. Right. So tan theta value, tan theta gives us, that means range of tan theta also, all the real numbers, because the first option is tan theta belongs to set of real numbers. So that's why it's correct. It's correct statement. So first option is eliminated. Always sin theta lies between -1 and 1. It's true statement only, but we need incorrect statement. Second option eliminated. Third option eliminated. Fourth one correct. Fourth one, because actual why it is wrong means, I'll give the note correct statement. Note, tan square theta minus sin square theta is equal to tan square theta into sin square theta. It is correct. And one more also we have, cot square theta minus cos square theta is equal to cot square theta into cos square theta. One more beautiful identity, cosecant square theta plus secant square theta equal to cosecant square theta into secant square theta. So remember, so that's why fourth one is the wrong statement. Fourth one cannot be equal to 1. Tan square theta minus sin square theta. So if you take theta is equal to 45 also, you won't get 1, because actually tan square theta tan 45 is 1 minus 1 by root 2, 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to, you will be getting 1 by 2 only. Yes, yes, yes. Right. 40 question has been completed. Now still we need to complete 10 more questions to complete our test session, last class of TET. 41. So tomorrow onwards I am going to start with the logical reasoning. Number series is very, very important. So that is very important for BITSAT examination. There are actually 20 marks for BITSAT examination, 17 marks for large set examination, and RRB and SSC CGL, and it will be useful for all sort of competitive entrance examinations. So please share to the needy persons, those who are preparing for BITSAT, last set examination, graduate after completion of graduation or intermediate. That will be very useful. Right. Let us move to next question. 41. The distance between the distance between 1, 3 and x, 7 and x, 7 is 5. The possible values of x x is or are. First option 2 comma minus 4, second option 2 comma 4, third option minus 2 comma 4, fourth option minus 2 comma minus 4. Right. The distance between 1 comma 3 and x comma 7 is given that 5, right? Then the possible values for x we need to find out. See, the distance between 1 comma 3 and x comma 7 is 5. Then possible values of x. Distance formula use. What is the distance formula? See, the distance is 5 given. Distance formula is equal to root over, we can write x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Squaring on both sides. This is square of the distance. So x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So this is d. So this is x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2. Now you can write x minus 1 whole square plus 7 minus 3, 4 square is equal to d square, that is 5 square. So x minus 1 whole square plus 16 is equal to 25, right? Okay. X minus 1 whole square, 25 minus 16, that will be 9. So x minus 1 is equal to root of 9, that is plus or minus 3. We get two cases. X minus 1 is equal to 3, x minus 1 is equal to minus 3. So x is equal to 3 plus 1, 4, x is equal to minus 3 plus 1, minus 2. Therefore x is equal to minus 2 comma 4. The possible values are 2, minus 2 comma 4, that is third option is the right option. Ravi Rajaprolu joined. Okay. Sivakeshu Bollu. Right. Option 3. 41 question we have completed. Right, let us move to yet another problem. Second problem. 42nd problem. If a pair of dice is rolled at random, once, then the probability of getting a doublet means same number on the two dice. So if a pair of dice is rolled at random once, then the probability of getting a doublet, first option 6/36, Second option is 5 upon 36. So third one 7 upon 36. Fourth one is 5 upon 18. Yes, right. A pair of dice or two dice are rolled at random once. Probability of getting a doublet means, so n of s is equal to 6 square, you can write 36. Let e be the event of getting doublet, 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3 and 4 comma 4 and 5 comma 5 and 6 comma 6 out of 36. So these are the favorable cases. Yes, Sushma, welcome. Now n of e is equal to 6. So P of e is equal to n of e by n of s. So favorable by total. So 6 by 36, or sometimes it may be 1 by 6 also, but already we have 6 upon 36. So first option is the right option. Swati Boda, right. 42nd question completed. 43rd question. 43rd question. Right. Let us move to the 43rd question. If the denominator of 143 by 2200 is expressed in the form of 2 to the power of n multiplied with 5 to the power of m, then the value of m into mn is first option 5, second option is 3, third option is 2, fourth option is 6. Yes, try this question. Question number 43. See, if the denominator means this one, if the denominator is expressed as in the form of 2 to the power of n into 5 to the power of n, the value of mn you need to find out. So first of all, you should be very careful whether 143 by 2200 is in simplest form or not, that we need to check. So if it is not, we need to put in simplest form, then only we need to consider the denominator, and denominator should be written in the form of 2 power something into 5 power something. By equating m and n values will be obtained. After that simply you can multiply. So 143 by 2200. So my dear students, 143 we can write 11 into 33 upon this is 11 into 200, you can write 11 gets cancelled. This is 13 by 200. Now this is the denominator we need to consider. 200 we need to express 200 as the product of primes. 200 ja 250 times, 225 times, then 5 into 5. So the denominator, that is 200, so can be written as 2 cube into 5 square. It is compared to 2 power n into 5 power m. So therefore m is equal to 2 and n is equal to 3. But we need mn. Mn means 2 into 3. So answer is 6. So fourth option is the right option. I hope it's very clear. I think so it's very clear to you. Forty-fourth problem. 44th problem. So you need to concentrate till the end of the session, because don't leave the session, because I am taking so long sessions, actually more than 6 hours, but you don't have the patience to stay. What can I do? I cannot do anything. See, you should have the patience, because you are going to appear the examination. The coefficient of yes, the coefficient of x square, the coefficient of x square in the polynomial p of x is equal to x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 is, so first option 11, second option is minus 6, third option is 6, fourth option is negative 5. See, it's very important question. This is coefficient of x square in the polynomial x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. You want to multiply this one. So now the p of x is equal to, you can write first x minus 1 into x minus 2 means x square minus 2x minus x minus 3x and plus 2, again multiplied with x minus 3. So then what do we get? X cube minus 3x square plus 2x. Now multiply with minus 3. Minus 3x square plus 9x and minus 6. So this equals to x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. We need coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. So coefficient of x square is equal to minus 6. This is one method. So second option is the right option. But whenever x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5 and so on up to multiplied x minus 100, that question may be asked. So for that purpose I will tell you one beautiful shortcut here. So what is the shortcut means here? Shortcut. So coefficient of x square in this one. So first highest degree x into x into x, x cube. So just less than 1 of highest degree. If you are asked, coefficient of x square means minus of 1 plus 2 plus 3. That's all answer. So this is equal to minus 6. Yes, sum of the roots and multiplied with a negative sign. So minus 6. So next 45th question. 45th question. The number of positive integral solutions, number of positive integral solutions for the linear equation, x plus y is equal to 5 is first option 5, second option 3, third option is 4, fourth option is 6. So the number of positive integral solutions for the linear equation x plus y is equal to 5 we need to write. So what are the possible solutions for the number of positive integral solutions, that means positive integers of the linear equation x plus y is equal to 5. So first you take this can be written now y is equal to 5 minus x. So put x is equal to 1 first, don't take 0 because 0 is not a positive integer. So first substitute x is equal to 1. So then we get the y value 5 minus 1 4. So one solution is 1 comma 4. So put x is equal to 2. If you put x is equal to 2, y is equal to 5 minus 2 is 3. So 2 comma 3 is other solution. Put x is equal to 3. So y is equal to 5 minus 3 is 2, 3 comma 2. Next put x is equal to 4. So y is equal to 5 minus 4 is 1. So 4 comma 1. So number of solutions is equal to 4 here. So our answer is 3. Third option is the right option. Yes, we have the shortcut also. What is the shortcut means? The number of positive integral solutions for the linear equation x plus y is equal to n is n minus 1. 5 minus 1, 4 answer. For example, this the number of positive integral solutions for the linear equation x plus y is equal to 2024 asked. Number of solutions means 2023. We have the shortcut also. So next 46th question. 46th question. 46th question. If tan theta is equal to cot theta, tan theta is equal to cot theta, 0 degrees less than theta, theta less than 90 degrees, that means theta is acute, then cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to, then cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to. Okay, Ravi Kumar, okay, Ravi Kumar, very good, very good. So first option is 0, second option is 1, third option is 2, fourth option is minus 1. Right. Simply change sin and cos, cross multiply, you will get the answer. That's all. See, my dear students, what is given? Tan theta is equal to cot theta given. So we can write tan theta is equal to sin upon cos, sin theta by cos theta. This is cos theta by sin theta. Cross multiply. So cross multiply. So you get cos square theta equals to sin square theta. Just transpose. So therefore cos square theta minus sin square theta equals to 0. So first option is the right option. Srinivasu, Sivakeshu, Venkateshwarlu, Sushma, okay, Lakshmi Narayan, absolutely correct. So next question is 47th question. 47th question. See, once again, tomorrow onwards you don't have any TET classes. So after 4 or 5 days I will make a plan to start even DSC also. So that means according to your response I will start the DSC. Either it be Telangana DSC or AP DSC, but I need to check your interest. How to check your interest means that only by commenting and likes itself only. So then I will decide, but till then actually I start once again I am explaining to you. So next I won't speak the single word about other than subject also. Tomorrow onwards I am going to start for logical reasoning for BITSAT examination. So please share the videos to the your needy persons, right? Your friends also, relatives also. Next question. Sine square 10 degrees plus sine square 20 degrees plus sine square 80 degrees plus sine square 70 degrees is equal to first option 1, second option 2, third option 3, fourth option 4. Sunita, you need to comment in the comment section. Then I will go through it. Right. See, here we have one concept you should remember. What is the concept means? This is very important concept. If A plus B is equal to 90 degrees or A comma B are complementary, A comma B are complementary, so that implies sine square A plus sine square B is equal to 1. Not only for sine square A, sine square B, even for cos also you can write cos square A plus cos square B is also 1. Right. Now you can check. See, 10 plus 80. See, 10 degrees plus 80 degrees is equal to 90. A plus B is equal to 90. And 20 plus 70. 20 plus 70 is also 90. So using this concept, actually this problem can be solved like this. Now this can be written sine square 10 degrees plus sine square 80 degrees plus grouping only. Here grouping takes place. Sine square 20 plus sine square 70. So using this concept, 1 plus 1. So answer is 2. Second option is the right option. Second option is the right option. Okay. Now the 48th question. 48th question. If log of x minus y upon 7 is equal to half times log x plus log y, log x plus log y, then the value of x square plus y square upon xy is first option 49, second option is 48, third option is 50, fourth option is 47. Okay, so we have one beautiful shortcut that I will explain here. So what is the shortcut means? Log of x minus y upon n, instead of constant take n, half into log x plus log y. So that implies x by y plus y by x equals to n square plus 2. This is the shortcut. What is the value of n? Here this is the n. So here n equals to 7. Therefore x by y plus y by x is equal to 7 square plus 2. 7 square plus 2 means 49 plus 2. 49 plus 2 is 51. So change this option, 51 this is. So now take LCM here, xy, x into x, x square, and y into y, y square is also 51. This is the answer. So third option is the right option. Third option is the right option. Yes, Nana. 51, not 50. Right. Not n square plus 1, n square plus 1. No, 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 no. No. You can check. You can check. Yes. 49th question. 49th question. See, x percent of y plus y percent of x equals to, first option xy by 25, second option xy by 50, third option xy by 100, fourth x plus y by 50. So which is the right answer? X percent of y plus y percent of x. This is 49th question. See, Nana, very interesting question. X percent of y means x by 100 into y, plus y percent means y by 100 into x. This we can write xy by 100 plus xy by 100. So 100 is the LCM. 2xy, xy plus xy. So xy by 50. So second option is the right option. Last question of your TET examination, 50th question. So today I promised you to complete 50 very important type questions, that I am going to complete it. Right, my dear students? Okay. The angle in a semicircle. The angle in a semicircle. The angle in a semicircle is, first one 60 degrees, second 45 degrees, third 90 degrees, fourth 180 degrees. Which is the right option? This question was asked in actually TET examination. Very simple problem. Very simple problem. Yes, Nana. This is very important note. The angle in a semicircle. The angle in a semicircle is a right angle. So that is 90 degrees. So third option is the right option. Thank you. Bye bye. Have the best of luck. Have a nice day. Okay, write your examinations well. So I tried my level best from complete your syllabus and also this marathon session. Thank you for cooperating with me. Bye bye. Have a nice day. So please do comment on the comment section. Don't forget.